Hey everyone, welcome to Chai and Faith. This is Laura, and today I wanted to show you the photo printer that I really love to use in my journaling and sometimes in my planners. And yeah, so I just thought I'd show you really quick. I'll show you. See, I use it quite a bit actually in my journals. I'm kind of a photo. Yeah, I love photos. Anyways. So I am really liking the HP Sprocket. I got the one that does the 2x3 pictures, and it came in, I believe this is called the Rose Gold, or Rose Sparkle or something. I don't know. I call it my little Sprocket. So that's what it's lovingly named. I just thought I'd give you a quick kind of how it works and, what it looks like and how quick it is. I don't think it takes too terribly long. Sometimes it seems like it takes a little bit, but overall, I think it's a good little printer and it works really well for having just quick pictures. You know, they're not going to be the highest quality. They're not going to be professionally printed, but they come out and they're cute and I like them. So, my little Sprocket is actually currently out of paper, so I thought it'd be fun to just show you how it works really quick and how to load it. So you turn the sprockets on by pushing the button here in the back, and your light here is for if it's charging or how much power it has. So you just literally pop the lid open, which is super easy. It's magnetic, so it's, yeah, it's very, nothing has to be pushed, to open it. The Sprocket paper is, sold, I believe, in 10s, 20s, and maybe 100s. I could be off on that. I will leave a link in the description box of where you can get it in the different sizes and whatnot. And I'll leave a link for the Sprocket too. But it's the zero ink paper, and it's for the HP Sprocket 2-in-1 or HP Sprocket, and it's the 2x3s is the one we're using. And a couple things I like about it a lot are that it has the sticky back. I know I could glue pictures on, and sometimes I do. I have a Canon selfie too that sometimes I use. But overall, I guess for ease of use, I just like this one. So all of the papers from the HP Sprocket come in little packages of 10, and they have this blue card on the bottom. And the way you load it is you always put the blue card down, so it's pretty hard to mess up. That way your paper's always in there right. And then you literally just put your lid back on it and just give it a minute to do its thing. It will spit that blue card out. I haven't tested this theory yet, but what I've been told is that if you keep the blue card and you buy an off-brand, some of the other papers will fit in this. As long as you have that blue card, you can use it. So I do keep a couple of the blue cards laying around. I haven't tried the paper whole thing yet, but maybe I will at some point. But for right now, that's kind of how it works. So as soon as that spits that out, you can download the Sprocket app on your phone. And so then I just pick the picture I want. You can add things to your pictures. You can color it, size it, all that fun stuff. And you can do like the standard, I don't know what you would call those, presets or whatever that they have. And then you can add text to it, which I kind of think I might for this. I was sitting outside with my dog and with a heated blanket on because it was cold out. But yeah, wanted to stay warm. It is January, or it was January when I did this. So yeah, so they have a couple like borders like that you can put on it. So we'll do that just for fun. And then you also have like borders you can actually put on it. So they had some for the Super Bowl. They have hearts, more hearts, because, you know, Valentine's Day is around the corner. Frames, yeah, you can, you know, do stuff like that or that. That's kind of cute too. Yeah, so it's kind of a fun little app. I don't always put the frames and stuff around, but why not? Let's do it today. And then, yeah, we'll hit that and then send it to the printer. And so now I'm just going to see how long it takes to print here. while we're waiting for it. It connects to your phone or electronic device over Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so it works super well. It's really easy to connect. It took about 10 seconds there before it started to print, so that's not too bad. Yeah, I think the biggest downfalls, I guess, if there are even downfalls, is the coloring isn't perfect, but it's a little on the go printer. So for what it is, I really love it, and the coloring doesn't bother me. The expense of it just kind of depends on if you can get them on sale. I was able to get the 20 packs on sale for $4.99, so that took about 45 seconds to print. And yeah, it's not bad. I mean, the brown's brown. I did, I guess, color it a little, but yeah. And so then you just literally peel off the sticky back, and it's nice and sticky, and you can stick it to your journal or your planner or a notebook or whatever fun things you want to stick it to. So overall, I would definitely recommend this printer if you're needing it for a quick print. You know, college life, high school, my sweet teen wants to print some pictures on this, and I think she'll love it. So I really like it. I'd highly recommend it. If you're interested in buying one, I'd love for you to check out the links in my description for where you can find them. And other than that, we'll see you again soon. Have a blessed day.